how am I going to get tenants? Like, let's say the property is finished now. How do you ensure that they're tenanted from day one?
Because we do all that. So basically we advertise for that, and we screen everyone. So we have a process where we go through a lot of background checks. So we also have house rules. Those house rules, they've got to sign as part of their leases.
Yep.
So there's a lot of checks and balances we put in. So we've got to protect not just the other residents, we've got to protect the owner and the investor as well.
Okay.
We aim at what I would call key workers, people on medium to higher income. So we've got people on incomes as low as $80,000 up to $220,000. We've got doctors, IT workers, engineers, fly in, fly out workers, people that are on high 5-figure to 6-figure incomes.
Okay. And typically, how long will it take to lease my property once it's built?
Generally, once it's new, it can take anything from, we've had them as fully leased in as little as 2 weeks up to 6 weeks, depending on the area, depending on the rents. But generally 2 to 6 weeks will fill your house.
And what sort of leases do normally people sign? But is it 6 months, 12 months?
Oh, sorry, it's 6 months to 12 months.
Okay.
And generally we find majority of them, they renew the leases.
Okay.
Rooming houses are pretty much a market-driven investment, so there's a huge demand. The reason that there's a huge demand from renters is because, as I said earlier, it's convenient living, where you pay one rent as a renter and you get everything. You get all your appliances, you get all your furnishings, you get all your bills paid just for one weekly rent. So there's both the convenience and the ease of paying the rent, where it's all in one. So we get renters that look around for accommodation. As soon as they walk into our rooms, they literally say, wow. I mean, our rooms and our rooming houses do have what they call the wow factor.
Yeah, okay.
So we have no problem filling them.
What would you say is your average vacancy rate for your properties right now?
Like 0%.
0%.
Like, as soon as we've got residents vacating, like they give us notice. We do ask them, weeks ahead if they'll be leasing the room, and if they say that they will, and most of them do, but if for work circumstances or personal circumstances they don't lease the room, then we put it back on the market and pretty much we've got it filled. So there's generally about a day or two between turnover from one resident to another. Our rooms now start at $450 and go up to $600 a room.